Hey guys, thanks for joining me again today. It's Laura with Novice Garden. Here are my new addition to the garden, these gorgeous shelves that my dad built me. Today I'm going to be styling them and planting them up. So I've got some gorgeous little terracotta pots and some beautiful spring plants and also some small herbs. I'm going to be borrowing some previously planted violas and pansies. I just love the yellow and purple together. It's just so spring-like and cheerful. Let's take a closer look at some of the herbs that I've got. I've chosen some kind of trailing or creeping herbs so that they'll spill out over the edge of the shelving units. I've got a lemon thyme here, and I've also got a pink flowering red thyme. And this is a mint variety called apple mint. And honestly, I can't describe how amazing it smells. It smells like the most fresh, minty apple scent you can imagine. It's gorgeous. So I'm just going to get these pots all planted up with multi-purpose compost and my mixture of herbs, violas and pansies. I'm making sure to give all of my newly planted up flowers and herbs a really good drink because these pots are quite small, and this is a south facing fence and it can get quite warm, and I just want to make sure that everything is well watered. Give them the best start. Well, that's me all finished. I hope you like it. I absolutely love it. I'm looking forward to adding some more interest to the shelves as the season progresses. But for now, I'm really happy with it. I think it's a great start. Thanks for watching, guys. And I hope you guys can draw some inspiration from this. I know that when I see other people's creations on YouTube or Instagram, it inspires me. So be sure to hit like if you enjoyed this and subscribe and turn on notifications to see some more content from me. See you in the next one, guys.